Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to prepare a shellac solution. Shellac has been used for wood finishing since at least the 13th century. To prepare this solution we need shellac flakes, denatured alcohol and a container. I'm going to prepare 100 ml of the solution. For this I have already marked my container for 100 ml. I pour 100 ml of denatured alcohol in the container. Next I measure 25 grams of shellac flakes. These flakes are light and easy to fly in wind, so I close the window. However, it is advisable to keep the windows open while dealing with denatured alcohol or spirit. I add the flakes in alcohol and shake it to mix. It dissolves slowly and may take up to 24 hours. Keeping the container near the window will help it to dissolve faster. I need to shake it after every couple of hours. Once the solution is ready, I can use a brush or a rug to apply it on the project. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.